This is the FK Bernot field pistol. It's chambered in 7.5 FK. And it was inspired by the desire to have a handgun that could be carried in a low-profile situation, deployed efficiently, and used consistently to engage threats between 50 and 100 meters. The 7.5 FK field pistol delivers accuracy, controllability, and lethality. The field pistol's design and manufacturing processes ensure that you'll think it's more like a high-performance vehicle than any other firearm you've ever fired, especially one with this kind of capability. Very early in the design process for the field pistol, it became apparent that in order to meet these design specifications, they were going to need to start with a new round and a new firearm. Partnering with some of the oldest names in the firearms design industry, some of the most established companies in Europe, the attempt was made to simply reuse existing platforms or improve upon existing ammunition, but it was found that that wasn't going to be possible. And that's why FK Bernot, as a research and development firm, is actually as much of an ammunition company as they are a firearms manufacturer. The 7.5 FK round itself is very unique. It's a bottleneck cartridge that delivers very high pressures, but is very controllable out of the handgun. The accuracy of the FK Bernot field pistol rivals that of any firearm you've ever handled before. A skilled shooter should be able to get torso hits on a human adversary at 50, 100, or even 150 meters. From a rest, a skilled shooter with the 6-inch barreled field pistol should be able to hold 4 to 5-inch groups consistently, and after practicing with the unique butterfly sights that come standard on the field pistol, any shooter should be able to get consistent hits on a man-sized torso under field conditions at 100 meters. Controllability is another important attribute of the field pistol. The unique recoil system, the ergonomics, and the overall design allow for ease of operation, intuitive alignment of the gun, and easy recoil management. These aspects of controllability are incredibly important for use by any armed professional, uses for personal defense, or in the hunting field. It's important to remember that the FK Bernot field pistol was designed around the 7.5 FK, and the primary attribute that was most important for the 7.5 FK round was lethality. The terminal ballistics out to 150 meters are generated not only by the shape and design and weight of the bullet, but also by the incredible amount of speed that the bullet still carries at those distances. When entering the body at supersonic speeds, the bullet will create not just the permanent wound cavity from cutting and tearing, but also hydrodynamic shock. Hydrodynamic shock causes physical trauma beyond the areas that the bullet actually touches, disrupts the nervous system, and dramatically affects any fluid-containing vessel inside the human body. From a 6-inch barrel, this 100-grain bullet is moving at about 2,000 feet per second. At 100 meters, it's still moving at 1,500 feet per second. And that's what allows the 7.5 FK to emulate the terminal ballistics of an AK-47 round at that 100-meter distance. The 100-meter distance was chosen because of the nature of ambushes in high-risk situations and in war zones. If someone is attacking a high-risk client or someone is being attacked in a situation where the people using rifles are very far away, a traditional handgun such as a 9mm Browning high power or any of the modern striker-fired guns are going to be almost useless. And it's almost impossible to carry a rifle or something that would normally be capable of engaging those threats at 100 or 150 meters when you're dressed in a suit, when you're carrying a gun under a jacket, or when you're inside of a vehicle and being able to deploy it and use it very efficiently. And that's where the FK field pistol comes in. Accuracy, controllability, and lethality. The field pistol was designed first and foremost to be an exemplary handgun. Accuracy potential exceeds or meets any requirements that are practical for field application. The FK Bernot is an incredibly controllable handgun, even when firing rapid follow-up shots of the incredibly powerful 7.5 FK round. The lethality of the 7.5 FK round fired from the 6 or 5-inch field pistol is virtually unmatched in any similar handgun. Many have compared the field pistol to a finely made watch. It's a distinctive firearm that sets itself apart from virtually any handgun you could choose to own.